December 2024 Curated Bead Box unboxing. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I got this one in the mail today. I want to do a real quick unboxing on this. This is the Curated Bead Box for December 2024. Can you believe it? The year's almost gone. Anyway, let me go ahead and get everything situated, and I'll be right back, and we'll go ahead and see what's in this. I've not flipped it over yet. Ooh, iced crystals. Oh, that's pretty. That actually go with the bargain bead box that I just opened a few nights ago. Okay, let's go ahead and get it open. Let me lay this blanket on here. I think right now my bead mat is still full of different things that I've been trying to work on that haven't got to them like the last week and a half. So I've been using this little table. But I think it'd be easier with this. So let me shut up now. Let's go. Okay, there we go. All right, the first strand is 10mm grape jade style glass beads in an 8-inch string. Grape and jade, so we're looking for purple and a greenish color. No, it says jade style glass beads, so it's probably this one. 10mm, those are 10mm grape jade style glass bead in an 8-inch string, so that looks like that's probably it. 10mm violet glass pearl beads on an 8-inch string, so that looks violet to me, and it is also 8 inches, so there's that one. Next, we have 10mm purple blossom spray glass beads in a 6-inch string. They're also 10mm, so it has to be this one. That's the last 10mm I have. That's pretty. That's like, I've not done a good job showing y'all these. Where's my brain? I know where my brain is. It's in bad shape tonight. Okay, so that's the glass jade one, and then this was the violet glass, and then this is the purple blossom spray. That's real pretty. It's real clear, but then it has these little white opaque spots. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, come on, camera. Next, we have 8mm sea foam glass pearl beads in a 16-inch string. And that is probably that one. That one's a very long string. It's a pretty color. It's almost a mint kind of color, but they call it a sea foam. And they are glass beads. Next, we have 8mm pastel blue with a yellow duo style glass bead. Okay, it must be this one. I don't know why I'm so blurry tonight. So, turquoise. Let me get this where I can actually see something. It is 8mm turquoise with apple green crackle frosted duo beads in a 10-inch string. So this is that crackle glass. And you know, I love crackle glass, but this is like a turquoisey aqua with a yellow. That'd be real pretty for the spring too. Now, this one is 8mm pastel blue with yellow duo glass bead on a 10-inch string, and that's real pretty. That's almost spring-like to me, but because it looks like a baby blue and then a baby yellow, but it is really pretty. Then we have 8mm pale green gemstones. Okay, there we go. 8mm pale green gemstone beads on a 7 to 8-inch string. Then we have an 8mm white gemstone bead, and it's a 7 to 8-inch string. They are also 8mm. So it's just a real pretty little white bead. Then we have 4mm turquoise gemstone beads. It's got to be these. Those are pretty. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So there's the turquoise. Then we have approximately 1 ounce Icy Crystal Designer Glass Bead Mix. And that's these. Then we have 4mm turquoise gemstone beads, 7 to 8 inch string. That's pretty. If you like turquoise, that is really pretty. And I have something missing. You know what? I'm gonna have to email them because it's not in here. I don't think. Look. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. I'm sorry, Curated Bead Box. It was my fault, not you. This is 54 by 10mm silver metal pendant with turquoise gem. And then, of course, they always include findings. We've got some... Are those spacer beads or jump rings? Let me see. I believe those are spacer beads. No, it's 4mm silver metal bead cap, approximately 40 caps. Boy, I'm doing good tonight. But those don't look like bead caps. They look more like spacer beads. Come on, you. But each box always has some memory wire, beading wire, then elastic if you want to make an elastic bracelet instead of a memory bracelet. Then there's always jump rings and lobster clasp, ear hooks, and head pins. And then crimp beads for the beading wire. Okay, so I'm bringing you down and trying to let you look, give you a little bit closer look. While I'm doing this, I'll tell you, Curated Bead Box is like Bargain Bead Box. They are a curated bead box company, and they're a little bit cheaper. They're like $20 a month. That includes taxes and shipping, and you just have to go on their website, and I will link it in the description box below, and you will sign up for their monthly subscription, and you will get 1 kit a month until you tell them to stop. And again, it's $20 a month, and you're not going to be able to go to Hobby Lobby or, even Walmart for that matter, or really even Amazon, and find, as nice of gems as this, beads and stuff as this for $20. There's no way I could get all this for $20. So it really is a good bang for your buck. So I will put them in the description box below, and you can try April 2 or my MCCL for my Crazy Creative Life too, and see if you get a $2 coupon off. They usually offer that. I don't know. I've had a hard time getting in touch with them. So if it doesn't work, let me know. That way I'll know to kind of reach back out to them. But anyway, that is it for this beautiful set, and I look forward to trying to make something with it. Maybe we can make something with this and the Bargain Bead Box together, because they both would match. This month would match the other one. So anyway, that's it. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your night, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.